Yumnam Khemchand, the newly elected BJP Legislative Party leader, has taken claim to form the new government in Manipur. He is all set to take over as Chief Minister at 6 p.m. today, along with other key leaders. Khemchand, accompanied by ex-Chief Minister and Bahrain, MLAs Govindas Kontojam, LM Kaute, Lucy Diko, Ngursanglur Sanate, Tongam Bishwajit, M. Rameshwar and BJP central leaders, including Northeast in charge Dr. Sambit Patra, Central Observer of the election of Manipur Legislative Leader Tarun Chugh and BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sardar submitted a letter of claim to Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla in the afternoon. The team arrived in Imphal at around 11 a.m. amid a warm welcome from supporters who presented floral garlands to Khemchand at Imphal International Airport. Post a meeting with the governor, Khemchand headed home to Singjamai Yumnam Laikai, where more supporters greeted him. Nemcha Kipgen and Lo Sidiko are likely to be sworn in as Deputy Chief Ministers, while Govindas Kontojam will take charge as Home Minister. Nemcha might take oath virtually due to the tension erupted in Kangpokpi and Churachandpur districts against Kuki MLAs supporting the government formation. Meanwhile, the 7th session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly is scheduled for February 2, 2026. It may be mentioned that Chief Minister Bahrain resigned as Chief Minister on February 9 last year, following which the President's rule has been imposed by putting Manipur Legislative Assembly on suspended animation.
How do you feel to be elected in the new legislature? Sir, your first reaction, sir. Your first reaction,
Спасибо.